Guys, good evening. Right now it's about 18 minutes past 5 p.m. and today is 21st of September 2021. How are you guys? How was your day today? I'm just wishing and hoping that you watched my yesterday's video. But before that, I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a PhD in physics from IT Daily. I'm SEBI-registered Research Analyst, and I'm Chief Mentor and Founder, StockPro. So, guys, this is my Twitter handle. You can follow me here to get the bang on trades. And some of the trades have given beautiful breakout, and I mean, most of the trades have given beautiful breakout and beautiful return to all the people. So that is my commitment to all of you, that I will do my level best to really find the best stocks for you and ensure that you all make money along with me. So this is my yesterday's video. Like this is stock pro potential breakout sector for tomorrow, sectors and stocks for tomorrow, and you can see the date is 20th September. So please again go through this and find out the stocks that I had suggested. So as I promised, every time I make a video, I'm going to read your comments, and I would say those who will write in first 1 hour, I'm surely going to read your comments, right? And ask valuable questions, like which can add value to your learning, right? I will not be able to answer how do I know that the institution activity has started, because that's what we teach. But in general, कोई भी आपको छोटा मोटा क्वेश्चन हो, आप लोग प्लीज राइट यहाँ पे करिए. I will be really happy. I'll be happy to share my knowledge. So somebody's saying I do follow every day and make sure to learn a lot from you. This is Vaibhav Kamble. Then Prahlad Haryani. Madam, with respect, I have been following you for the past few days. You have great knowledge and person can learn a lot from you. Ayushman Pandey Singh, बहुत बहुत आभार आदरणीय. Then great work, madam. This is by Umesh Sagar. Following your videos and Telegram channel, great stuff. Not just a trash and thumbnail trap like other YouTube videos. Please make dedicated videos on Bank Nifty option chain analysis. Oh, sure, I will definitely do that. And then Alfia Muzawar. Ma'am, the stock, Tata Elixir stock which you gave on Telegram channel was amazing. Just in 2 days, it gave more than 700 points. That's like about 20% return. Please give such type of stock. So मुझे कोई idea नहीं होता है कि stock कितना चलने वाला है. I just read the price action. My only qualification here I would say is to read the price, right? मुझे केवल price को read करना आता है, institutions की activity को track करना आता है, और थोड़ा सा like एक data read करना आता है. That is the only thing I do. So what I'm going to do today, before I give you my stocks, let's have a look at the Nifty, right? अगर आप Nifty में आज के दिन देखते हैं तो बहुत important चीज है कि unwinding at all the levels, right? I'm going to just mark it for you. All these out of the money calls, right? All of the out of the money calls. See from here, यहाँ से शुरू होके और यहाँ तक unwinding ही unwinding है. Hope you can see there, right? Starting from 17,600 to 18,500, there is just simply unwinding happening at the call level, right? And it is a very strong signal, right? It's a very strong signal as far as Nifty is concerned. Whereas if you see on the put side, right, I'm going to mark it for you. The put side, I'm going to mark the put side for you. This is put side, right? This is change in the open interest. See here, all these are basically option writers, right? All these are option writers. They're writing aggressively all the options, right, on the put side. So that means a strong base build up ho raha hai for put, right? For put, there has been a strong base which have been created, right, on the lower side, right? And on the call side, if you see, almost every single level, कहीं तक आप चले जाओ, 18,000, 1,700, 18,600, 700, 500, 400, हर level पे unwinding हो रही है, in the money as well as out of the money, right? So that is kind of an indication that Nifty will take a reversal from here. And let's have a look आज Nifty में क्या हुआ. This is how Nifty is. Nifty has almost recovered what it lost yesterday, right? Almost recovered. It's not completely recovered, but almost recovered what it has lost yesterday, right? थोड़ा सा अभी recovery बाकी है, but hopefully if the market remains positive, it will probably go higher up till about 17,800. and वही आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है कि 17,800 तक सारे के सारे calls जो at least definitely there is unwinding happening at this level as well. ठीक है. Now what I will do, somebody has requested for Bank Nifty call option. Let's have a look at the Bank Nifty call options as well, right? So again let's have a data. यहाँ पे हमारे पास data है, तो I will just look at the in the money call option, right? There is a barrier right here. अभी 37,300 पे एक barrier है, right? You can see out here. There are 12,246 contracts that have been written. But if you go to the higher level, 37,500, 37,800, 38,000, 38,000, and 38,300, all of them are having unwinding, right? Whereas on the put side, if you see in out of the money call, right, OTM put, sorry, not call, put. If you see OTM side, there has been only writing, right? There has been only put writing. There is no unwinding happening in this space, right? So this kind of indicates the sentiments. You know, what are the sentiments in the market? So market में जहां तक मुझे देख के लगता है मार्केट ऊपर का ही लगता है, बट लेट्स सी, बिकॉज आज भी अगर देखा जाए, let's have a look at Bank Nifty. So I don't want to make the video very long, but still all the points have to be covered, you know. So see here, in the morning it was pretty much bearish, right? बहुत bearish थी Bank Nifty. And then एक sudden इसमें एक reversal आया है 11 सवा 11 के बजे के बाद it just kind of reversed, right? So from 9:15 to about 11:15 it just fell, and from 11:15 onwards it kind of had a sharp recovery, right? So stance suddenly changed into a positive one, and you can see the similar thing happening in the banking stocks, right? So to me tomorrow looks positive in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? As it is, you know, अगर आपने कल मेरा वीडियो सुना है, ये वाला वीडियो सुना है, my stance was positive only. All the market had fallen, market was showing all the signals that it may go down tomorrow, but I was all throughout very very positive. So मैं quickly आपको अपनी research present कर देती हूँ, और सबसे पहले मैं जो आपको stock बताऊंगी, जो सबसे last में मैं आपको stock बताऊंगी, वो मेरा my betting on it is going to be 100%, right? I really believe that stock will give you a very very good move, but सबसे पहला stock है मेरा आज का TechM. फर्स्ट स्टॉक इज टेकएम, राइट? सो टेकएम पे क्या हो रहा है, अगर आप देखोगे तो थोड़ा सा रेंज बाउंड है, राइट? इट इज प्रीटी मच रेंज बाउंड. ये रेंज है इसकी, ये रेंज ब्रेक होनी चाहिए. किस जगह के ऊपर हम लोगों को बाय करना है? ये जगह पे, राइट? 1480 के ऊपर हमको बाय करना है. आज की क्लोजिंग है 1460 के आसपास, 20 पॉइंट्स और ऊपर, एंड इट विल गिव यू अ वेरी शार्प मूव आफ्टर दैट, right? A lot of factors indicating in the same direction. Then next stock that I have is on my radar is Star, right? It's Strides Pharma. Strides Pharma में आज क्या हुआ है? There has been a good reversal from the lower levels, right? There has been a very beautiful reversal from the lower levels, right? So अगर Star कल इस जगह के ऊपर जाता है, which is 600 के ऊपर, अगर ये आपको 15 मिनट तक stand करता है, stays over there for 15 minutes, you can surely take an entry. Our first target will be 100% 620. So 20 पॉइंट का मूव अच्छा खासा मूव होता है, और अगर ये next few days में one can definitely expect 640, and then final target for this expiry is going to be 650, right? This is what is going to be our final target for this expiry. You can take my words, you can watch the stock, you can do like your own analysis and then take an entry depending upon how you plan to take an entry tomorrow, right? Different people, different entries. Some people take entry right at the beginning. जैसे आज मैंने Godrej Properties का कॉल दिया था right at about राइट एट वेरी अर्ली, राइट, बहुत जल्दी मैंने यहाँ पे करीब आई थिंक बहुत सुबह सुबह 9:20 के आसपास यहीं पे कहीं पे मैंने एक हम यहीं पे थे, इसी जगह पे थे, that I gave a buy on Godrej Properties call option. So different people take different entries. Some people take after the morning breakout, some people take without whatever, you know, past resistance is broken, जो भी उनके rules होते हैं. But आप अपने रूल्स को फॉलो करिए, बट ये मेरी वॉच लिस्ट है. सो दो स्टॉक्स मैंने आपको बता दिए, टेकम एंड स्टार. एंड थर्ड स्टॉक दैट आई हैव ऑन माय रडार इज माइंडट्री, right? Third stock is Mindtree. That looks very good because it's promisingly broken the past boundaries. Yesterday की जो boundary है उसको इसने आज break किया है very nicely, right? So above अपनी इस wick के ऊपर अगर ये जाता है 4390 के ऊपर जाता है, I would say make it round number 4400 के ऊपर अगर Mindtree जाता है, you can surely take an entry, right? IT is going to be moving tomorrow. That's what it looks like. And the next stock is Coforge, right? So Coforge is also looking very, very good to me. And as I told you, IT is looking very promising. So almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, like today negated all these 4 candles, right? And which shows the strength, right? Strength with which the breakout had come. सो दिस इज माय फोर्थ स्टॉक, राइट? उसके अलावा भी मेरे रडार पे बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स हैं, जैसे आज बहुत अच्छे अच्छे ब्रेकआउट्स हैं, जैसे बजाज फाइनेंस है या बजाज फिनसर्व है, राइट? बहुत खूबसूरत ब्रेकआउट्स आए. एक जो स्टॉक मैं अब आपको दूंगी जो मेरे हिसाब से बहुत बढ़िया ब्रेकआउट की उम्मीद है मुझे इसमें, वो है कैनफिन होम, राइट? ये कैनफिन होम है और आज इसने अपने इस चैनल को ब्रेक किया है, राइट? तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 दिन की इनडिसाइसिवनेस, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 10 डेज हो गए ना, ट्रेडिंग के 7 डेज, बट अगर हम वैसे काउंट करते हैं तो रफली अबाउट 10 डेज का जो इनडिसाइसिवनेस है उसको आज इस स्टॉक ने ब्रेक किया है, राइट? तो हमारी एंट्री कहाँ पे बनती है? हमारी एंट्री बनती है 628 और 630 के आसपास. यहाँ पे आप बाय कर सकते हैं. डेफिनेटली अ टारगेट ऑफ 650 is easily achievable, right? A very, very sure shot target could be 650. So 5 stocks again: Techem, Canfin, Star, Mindtree, Coforge, and do not forget Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. They are looking extremely good to me, right? So these were my stocks for these are my stocks for tomorrow, and let's meet in the live market. And I'm just hoping you all are watching me on my Telegram channel. If you are not present on my channel, this is my channel. Please, you can join in here. StockPro official, SEBI registered. This is a place which you can join. You get the live updates, you get the live options, live futures, live, equity calls here, and you do get updated by about the Nifty and Bank Nifty, how the options are growing in Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? A very, very strong way to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is how we work. No, you know, making no financial entertainment, but doing serious work, right? So guys, take care. My 5 stocks are Techem, Canfin. Let me just write them for you. So here are my stocks: Techem, Star, Mindtree, Coforge, Bajaj Finance, and Bajaj Finserv. And last but not the least is Canfin Homes. And 2 more stocks I'm writing here for you so that you can keep them on radar: ACC and Ultratech Cement. So they have kind of made their bottom, right? They are not going to go further down. That's what it looks like from here by looking at the stocks, that they have kind of made their bottom. So this is ACC and Canfin, Ultratech, right? Here is Ultratech. So they both look to be bottomed out, but a lot of, so this is my watch list, right? When you have a watch list, you just keep all these stocks on your radar, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, out of them this is my favorite as of now, Canfin Home, and another favorite of mine is Coforge, right? These are two of my favorite stock at this moment favorite. So keep them on radar and see the breakout. If you get it early morning, enter early morning. If you get it late afternoon, do late enter late afternoon, depending upon how you want to enter. So with this, I'm signing off. Hope you're liking my videos, hope you're enjoying my research, and hope you're finding some kind of trust in my research. So if you are really benefiting with what I'm doing, request you to please share my videos, my channel, my Twitter handle with your friends, with your family, with your anybody whom you know who's losing money, right? It's sharing is caring, right? So I really feel that my research should reach out to everybody who's losing in the market as of now. So take care, and please subscribe to the channel, and like the videos, and please share it with others. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow in the live market.